Srimatre Namaha. I am Dr. Kollur Krishnayar from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 24th October 2025, Friday, Aipasya Masam 7th, Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Sharadrudu, Aipasya Masam, that is Tula Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 11:52 p.m. Tritiya, then Chaturthi, Bhriguvasaram, that is Friday, Anuradha Nakshatram. Today's Rahu Alam 10:30 to 12 noon, Yamagandam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Guliyagalam 7:30 to 9 a.m. Good time 6 to 7:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's sunrise 6-7 a.m. Chandrashtam for Mesharashi. Prayachittam Jangari. Shraddha Tritiya. Om Srimatre Namaha.